What's up, bro? Hey, what was that? The keto thing you were talking about?
The keto, what is the keto kids? The Kitchen Keto Cool Kids Club.
So the KK.
I love how you're dropping all the black pepper.
And that's how I know you're wrong, because this is not black pepper.
Or whatever that is.
Stupid.
Oh,
Pink
the
Himalayan salt.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Hector. I can't cook, but today we're gonna be making steak tartare. We got the backup meal here in case I fuck it all up, but hopefully I don't. We're gonna need obviously your steak. Today I'm gonna use just a strip of beef tenderloin. We're gonna need a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard, tablespoon of shallots, tablespoon of gherkins, and a tablespoon of capers. So we're gonna mix that all up. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper, olive oil. I'm using a French baguette, butter both sides, get some quail eggs, frying for a little bit, and can't forget our truffle butter. And once we're all done, you're gonna top it off with some arugula too. So for the steak, we're gonna wanna get rid of all the fat because we don't want fat in our tartare. Come on, dog. And I don't know what I'm doing. Like I'm laughing and like, yo, I can't cook and shit. But I try real hard. Now that everything's chopped up, we're gonna put all that. Now that we have everything chopped up, we're gonna put that bitch in our bowl. Can't forget our salt.
It's a top. No, top. It has a little.
Fucking dumbass. We can't forget our salt. Don't be scared of salt. Gonna get some pepper. Don't be scared of the pepper, because it makes it taste good. Then after this, we got a little. Just like this never happened. Put some olive oil. We'll mix this bitch up. Yo, the shit smells delicious.
Can't smell?
Yeah? Come on over, girl. Alright, so now that we got it all mixed up, we're gonna throw it in the fridge and let them get a little down and dirty in there, you heard? We're gonna leave them there for 10 to 12 minutes. And onto our bread and our quail eggs. Where my quail eggs at? How the fuck do I crack this little ass egg? Oh, bitch. I impress myself every single time I do this. The brand is that I can't fucking cook. That shit's off. Toast the bread, both sides. It's not toasting fast enough. We're hungry.
What the fuck did the bread ever do to you, bro?
everything's done, we're gonna put everything together. First, we're gonna start off with our truffle butter. Actually, this part is up to taste. I'm gonna throw a quail egg in there. We're gonna baby arugula. And we're gonna throw in our presentation plate. Yo, that shit looks fire, bitch! What the fuck? Wow.
I can't believe I waited for raw steak.
You just knocked some arugula off my shit, bro. This is the outcome of our steak tartare.
Cue background music.
Fuck this show. I fucking suck. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, notification button, all that good stuff. I really do hope that whoever's watching this does try this recipe, because it was, I mean, I just suck at this, but it was super easy and it came out amazing. And I'll catch you guys next time.